In this video, I'll show you how to set up a fully local AI agent using Gemma 4, Hermes, and OpenClaw. If you find this useful, subscribe and leave a like. Let's get into it. Running a powerful AI agent usually requires an expensive subscription or sending your private data to the cloud. This setup runs entirely on your computer, so your data stays private and also costs nothing to use. Before we start, you need to have LM Studio or Olama installed on your machine. You also need at least 16 GB of RAM to run these models smoothly. Finally, ensure you have Python 3.10 or higher installed on your system. First, open LM Studio and search for Gemma 4. If you don't have LM Studio, just go on Google and search for LM Studio. Click on the first link or second link, depending on where the result is appearing, and you'll be taken to their homepage where you can easily see the download button. Click on the download and it will start downloading. When it downloads, install it, follow all the steps, and you'll be good to go. When it downloads, open it. Just click on the next button or on the get started, then you'll be good to go. So first open LM Studio and search for Gemma 4. Because it is popular and a lot of people are searching for it, it's going to appear on top. Click the download button for the 4-bit or 8-bit quantized version. When it's downloading, search for the Hermes 3 model in the same search bar. Download the version that fits your available video memory. This gives your agent the brain it needs to process instructions and also follow logic. Open your web browser and go to the official OpenClaw GitHub repository. You can just come to Google and search for OpenClaw. It will show you the results. You easily see it. Click on it to take you to the GitHub repo. And from there, click the green code button and select Download Zip. Extract the files to a folder on your desktop that you can find easily. Open your terminal or command prompt and navigate into the folder. Type pip install -r requirements.txt and press enter. This installs all the necessary code to make the agent move and act. Go back to the LM Studio and click on the local server icon on the left sidebar. Then select the Gemma 4 model from the drop-down menu at the top. Click the Start Server. Note the server port number, which is usually 1234. Now open the .env file in your OpenClaw folder using a text editor like VS Code or Antigravity. Change the API URL line to match your local server address, which can be something like http://localhost:1234/v1. This tells OpenClaw to talk to your computer instead of the internet. In your terminal, type python main.py and hit enter. Then wait for the terminal to show that the agent is active and listening. Type a simple task like create a folder named test and put a text file inside it. Watch the terminal as Gemma 4 thinks and OpenClaw executes the command. You'll see a folder appear on your desktop instantly. And there it is, a fully functional AI agent running locally on your hardware without any monthly fees. If the agent fails to connect, check that your firewall is not blocking LM Studio. Also make sure the local server in LM Studio is still running before you start the Python script. So if you found this video useful and you like more of such videos, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions concerning Hermes or Gemma, please drop them in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.